Take a look around you. Do you like what you see? How does your environment make you feel? How much influence you think your environment has on your life, especially if you are a highly sensitive person? When I was a child, and even as I grew older, I had very little control over my environment. This lack of control was particularly challenging for me as a highly sensitive person. Constant noise, clutter in my home, and not having a say in how my space looked made me feel overwhelmed and anxious. So at the time, I made a decision to create my home the way I wanted it as soon as I became independent. But I still had no idea how my environment can improve my life. Later on, I discovered the significant power of a pleasant environment. As highly sensitive people, we have a more finely tuned nervous system, and we tend to process sensory information more deeply than others. As a result, we are more susceptible to external stimuli and can become overwhelmed or overstimulated in certain environments. Creating a pleasant environment can help minimize these challenges and empower us to improve our lives. Here are some tips on how to create an environment that can magically improve your life. 1. Keep your space clean and organized. Start by decluttering your space. Remove any unnecessary items. Tidy up and organize your things. Physical order can help reduce mental clutter, allowing highly sensitive people to feel more at ease and focused. Maintaining a clean space can reduce stress and bring about a sense of tranquility. For a while, I felt guilty about spending a lot of time cleaning and organizing my home instead of getting more productive work done. What is the definition of productive work can be a topic to discuss later. But one evening, as I sat at the dinner table, I looked at my beautiful, organized, and clean home, and I felt so happy and grateful. It was in that moment that I fully understood the importance of a clean and organized home, and I let go of my guilt. 2. Manage lighting and noise. The way a room is lit can make a big difference in its atmosphere. Try different lighting options until you find the right balance that makes you feel comfortable and relaxed. Reduce overstimulating noise at home by using curtains, rugs, or dual windows. I enjoy the natural light during the day, but too much light, even natural light, can make me feel overstimulated and tired. So, after enjoying a sunny day, I need to take some time in a shady and cool place to rest away from the sun. You might be the same. 3. Bring nature indoors. Include plants in your environment. Plants not only make your space look beautiful, but also clean the air. Being in nature or having elements of nature around can provide a sense of grounding and relaxation for highly sensitive people. If you are not familiar with gardening or don't want the added responsibility, choose low maintenance plants that don't require much care. 4. Think about aromatherapy. Use pleasant smells to create a nice atmosphere for your sensitive nature. Light scented candles. Try essential oils or get diffuser. Try different fragrances to discover scents that help you feel relaxed and good. Sometimes even cooking a food that smells good helps me feel relaxed and at the right place. 5. Create a comfortable space. Make your environment physically comfortable. Get a good mattress, pillow, and seating that supports your body properly. Use cozy blankets, cushions, or rugs to add warmth and comfort to your space. Creating cozy nooks or little spaces for relaxation can also give us a retreat when we need to recharge. 6. Think about color psychology. Different colors can affect how we feel. Pick colors that you like and that creates the atmosphere you want. Soft neutral colors usually make us feel calm, while brighter colors can bring energy and excitement. I've always been fascinated with colors and color psychology, but I never really applied my knowledge to my own home. I mostly focused on matching everything to the color of the walls and wooden floor. But later I decided to listen to my heart and change the colors to the ones that I truly enjoyed looking at. I found that a light turquoise blue brought a sense of relaxation and tranquility to me. So give your favorite color a chance to make you feel better. 7. Personalize your space. Fill your space with things that show who you are and make you happy. Use photos, artworks, and plants that you love. Surround yourself with items that bring you joy and make you feel comfortable. Allowing ourselves to personalize our environment can be empowering and comforting. This can help creating a sense of familiarity and emotional connection. Having personal or meaningful items nearby can also help create a sense of safety and emotional well being. 8. Create peaceful retreats. Providing spaces for solitude and quiet reflection can be especially valuable for highly sensitive people. Having a designated area where we can retreat to when we feel overwhelmed can offer a sanctuary for relaxation and restoration. Don't make these too complicated. This could be just a cozy corner, a little garden, or any secluded space where we can find peace. A big challenge I faced in creating a pleasant environment for myself was that I didn't know how much I liked something or I didn't like or what made me feel good. I didn't know my own preferences, what made me happy, or what made me feel more at ease. But after trying different methods of self discovery, including journaling, I discovered some of these things about myself. That self discovery guided me when I began making changes to my environment. You know what this process gave me more than anything else? I hope you guess. It gave me a sense of worthiness, which improved my life in different ways. I realized that I deserved the attention I was giving myself by focusing on my preferences and needs. When we break free from the idea of how we should live and start bringing in what truly brings us joy, a profound sense of worthiness takes hold of us. The satisfaction that comes from the simplest things then becomes unbelievably amazing and magically transforms our life. If this video helped you in any way, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.